Good afternoon, guys. May you find whatever you're searching for this year. Wishing you a very happy new year. So, let's begin the open interest analysis and we'll see what the big player are planning for this year. New Year's, the first month seems to be very much negative, guys. So, C will follow by FII in options. What they did, see maximum they have reduced their calls and they have increased their put. 50% of call they reduce and 50% they have increased their puts. So the put they were holding 75,000 contracts only. Now they have increased 89,000 contracts. So they have 1,64,000 of put buying. And in call they were holding 1 lakh of call contracts. Now they have unwinded 49,000 contracts. So they have 52,000 contracts only. So puts are more. So they are bearish in option. And in future index, they have reduced their longs and increased their short by 7%. So they have 50-50 of long and short. And in stock future percentage, they have 52% long, 48% short. They sold for 2,950 crores. This is a very huge amount. So FII are becoming bearish now. We can consider this now. Client are the retailers input they were holding 35,000 of put writing. Now they have increased 1.73 lakh contract in put writing. So they have 2 lakhs of put writing contracts now. And in call they were holding 1.14 lakhs of call writing. They have unwinded this in profit. So they have made a fresh call buying of 57,000 contracts. They are very much bullish in options. And in future index they have 59% long, 41% short. It means they have increase the long, reduce the short by 2 percentage. And in stock future percentage, 87% long, 13% short. And in cash market, they sold for 185 crores. So see, there are slight positive in futures, very much positive in options. Stock futures very much positive. So they are very much bullish. Promoters input they were holding 74,000 of put writing, unwinded all of this contract, and now they have made a fresh put buying of 9,000 contract. And in call they were holding 11,000 of call buying. They have unwinded this and made a fresh call writing of 1.10 lakh contract. So they are very much bearish in options. Future index, they have 31% long, 69% short. So they have reduced their longs, increased their short by 5 percentage. This is also very much bearish. And in stock future percentage, they have 70% long, 30% short. They are positive in this stock futures and they purchase for 56 crores in the cash market. See, the promoters view is they are negative in futures, they are negative in options, but they are positive in stock futures and they are purchasing in cash market. We can still consider promoter also don't want to take risk. So that's why they have created a negative positions. So DI has supported the market by purchasing of 2,266 crores in the cash market. So the cash flow was 813 crores negative figures. Now let's check PCR. Nifty today means Friday, it was 0.69. Bank Nifty was 0.73. And on this month end, Nifty is at 1.44, Bank Nifty is at 1.21. Anyhow, the PCR is positive only. Now the good buying has to come in Nifty and Bank Nifty for this week as per the PCR. Now let's check the price action. We'll start with Nasdaq in 5 minutes time frame. See, they opened huge gap down, but the volume was less and they consolidated and they have closed positive only. While comparing to where they have been, the market has opened, but still they have closed with 11 points negative. And the bad news was US stocks dip Friday, closed out worst year since 2008. How negative the US market is now, and SGX was also traded 78 points negative only. Let's check Dow. See Dow also where it opened it almost closed there only. So they have closed 73 points negative. Let's check in longer time frame. In longer time frame. So see multiple times they have taken this support 32,800. So now this support has become very much negative. This can be broken at any time and if this support is broken again we can see a good dip. Nasdaq also see it has taken a support of 10,300 levels and again this support is also becoming very weak now. So let's check our market. See, India VIX at 14.86. It is slight positive only. Nifty, see Nifty what happened on Friday, it has traded negative only. It has closed in 85 points lower. So market opened positive only, but we have seen a profit booking, and it was for some day it was consolidating only, and at the last moment we have seen a good sell off. And we know this sell off was by FII only. They are sold for 2000 crores. So see Bank Nifty in longer time frame, we'll see Bank Nifty it has closes in red candle only. After seeing this candle, we have seen a pressure of selling. So the selling has to take a reversal by this support level of 42,600. If this level is broken, again we can see a good selling in Bank Nifty. And in Nifty also we have seen a red candle closing. So a very good sell off candle we have seen. And if this support is broken, again we can see a sell off till 17,700. So see, as per the price action, market seems negative only. And as per the open interest analysis also, the big player have created short positions in options, as well they have too much of shorts in futures also. We will not think of buying this week, we will only think of sell on rise. So see this week what we will do after watching India weeks, if it is rising then we will again think of good sell off only. Whenever we are getting at a good levels, at a higher level, we can think of sell on rise. And also watching the global news. So that's it for today guys. I wish most of them have taken a resolution. If not, please take a resolution that you will not take a over trading. You will not lose your money. That by keeping a stop loss, and keep on learning. If you're not confident, don't trade. By seeing others profit, don't be jealous and take a random trade that you will make money. Sometimes you will make, but some most of the time you will lose. So don't do over trading. Don't be jealous of others, and keep on learning. Try keep on learning. Make a friend where you can discuss the market with them, and he is also keen interested about the market. Then you will learn many things and discuss your plans, and also keep a open ear so that you can also listen to him. So that's it for today guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.